Hey everyone, set at all your cars. Today we've got this 2013 Ford S-Max. It's a 2.2 TDCI titanium X Sport with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Now this is not a power shift gearbox. This is an Aisin 6-speed gearbox. Very good gearbox, very reliable, and absolutely not to be confused with the power shift models. The car's finished in Panther black, I'm going to say. Could be wrong. Check if you need to know, but it's black and it's metallic. It's done 59,000 miles. It's got 10 services. It's got the 18-inch alloys. Just had new discs and pads all around and new front tyres. It's absolutely clean as a whistle. Fantastic spec. It's got the big panorama roof, the sat-nav, reverse cam, parking sensors. This one's even got the storage pack and the driver's seat memory pack. But as you can see, it's pretty mint. Very well cared for. There's a small scratch there we'll get a touch on. It's on the top, we'll get that sorted. Neither here nor there. But yeah, very nice car. Drives incredibly well. I think these have got 200 horsepower and they do return good MPG. We'll show you inside. We'll begin in the boot. So you've got your rearmost seats there, and I will just demonstrate one-handedly how easy these are to fold down. Job done. Did you see that? Absolutely. One finger look, bosh, and then just flip the cover over. JD. You don't get an easier folding pair of seats than that. All really clean and tidy, not been abused, anything like that. In the middle, you've got your 3 full-size seats, all with Isofix. All in very nice condition, and the contrasting red stitch. Got your storage pack, which includes the rear tables for the kids or the adults, and also got rear blinds, as you can see there. As we move into the front, you'll see that we have got a fully electric driver's seat with memory. The seats are in really good shape. These bolsters are very often quite squashed, but as you can see, still really good. Got your folding mirrors, your electric windows, auto lights and wipers, cruise control. I've got heated seats in the centre just there. And as you can see, the mileage is 59243. And we'll just start the car. You see there's no warnings or no funny noises. So there you go. All the lights illuminate and go out as they should. Good healthy car. Great cruise control on the steering wheel along with your audio controls. Steering wheel is in very good condition again. Got DAB radio, which is working, as you can hear there. Got your nav with your maps, CD and auxiliary with Bluetooth audio, as you can see there. You store normal radio and your telephone, but also reverse camera, heated front and rear screen, dual climate control, and that really is it. I'll just show you the big roof. Oh, importantly, the blind is all working. A lot of these S-Maxes suffer a fate where the roof blinds fail. This one's perfect. If you need to know anything else, please do give us a call on 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.